welcome to the side of the road. So this is a very wet episode. Comes the car. So New Mexico is under pretty much most of our state is flooding right now, and it's pretty gnarly. But in the Gila, we've been getting pounded. It hasn't stopped raining all day. It's sprinkling now. This is like the lowest that it's rained all day. And what I want to do is, we're just a few miles from the house, but we're driving up into the mountains, and there's just water coming off everywhere from the mountains, like completely everywhere. So I just figured I'd try to take a couple shots of it. We were hoping for fog, but there's no fog, it's just rain. And now it's getting more rainy, so let's go check this out real quick and see what it looks like. So we're just a little more up the road. We're at my favorite spot, one of my favorite spots in the Gila, called Cherry Creek, and it's right there. And it's not a creek right now. Right now it's a raging river. And I read in the news, the local Silver City news, 3 people had to be rescued the other day because they were trying to play around out here. So don't be stupid. I'm not being stupid. I'm being very cautious. We're not leaving the roadside. I'm not parking anywhere that I can't get out of. I'm not taking any dirt roads. And if we're gonna see if the road's closed or open a little farther ahead. But for now, let's go walk back here because I saw this giant waterfall. I mean, this stuff is just coming off the mountains and everywhere. It's just insane. Let's go check this out. I don't have any filters for this lens either, and I didn't feel like holding one, so I'm at f/22 ISO 100 and 0.6 of a second. This is just so wild. So I'm just gonna walk around here and see what compositions I can get away with. I really don't like that yellow pole, but here's what we're looking at now. That looks pretty cool. I mean, it just looks like it's coming out of the mountain, which I guess it is. Us desert rats, we don't get to see water that much, so it's always a surprise to us, I guess. So same settings, there's a lot of froth and the water's really white. You just gotta watch out that you're not blowing out your highlights. So right now I am. But if you go about a stop over, so most of these cameras can handle that in terms of the highlight recovery. It's really muddy right here. What I'd like to do is get up there closer to those flowers and get a flower and shot. Let me see if I can get over this. Oh, that wasn't bad. Never mind. Oh, this is yucky. Okay. All right, so we're just gonna go on the side of this hill here. Because I like a little bit more of the foreground. I think I'm trying to do 2 things. I think the first thing that I'm trying to do is just get a nice shot of a waterfall maybe, even though it's not gonna be that nice, but I think what I should do is be more like documentarian style and document the fact that this is like a massive flood. Like I should do like this. There are 3 shots. There's 4 shots, just to be safe. We're at a quarter second now because it's getting brighter and because of all of this froth and foam F22. But even with a quarter second, man, that is running. Well, we made it out to one of my favorite lookouts for the Gila area, and we were just on the road over there. Now it's all moving away. It came and it went. Those were some gnarly, I've never seen waterfalls like that before, just coming off the sides of the mountain. I've seen it flood pretty good here. I mean, it does do that a lot, but that was gnarly. So I was hoping to get the clouds retreating over these mountains and stuff, and I've got a time lapse going on the R5. I picked off a couple of compositions with my backup, the little RP and 70-200. We've got some nice light back there, but there's nothing amazing right now, so I'm just gonna put up maybe the rest of those waterfalls or something. This was mostly, I didn't expect to get like any award-winning images out of this or anything. I just wanted to see, like I knew it was raining a lot, and I just wanted to kind of see, you know, like I said, being in the desert, we like to go out when it gets rainy, so I just wanted to see what was up and mostly just document it. So, you know, if you guys have crazy weather wherever you live, like maybe just go out with more of a documentarian intention, and who knows what you'll find. Like I did get some interesting creative shots that I was happy with, but you know, no portfolio shots or anything, but that's not why we do photography. It's not why I do photography. It's just really great to be out here, and for it not to be 100 degrees in August. It's very nice to get to wear the rain jacket for a minute. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up here because Camera Ladies doesn't have a tripod. If you see the video starting to shake a little more. No, she's doing good. Yeah, that was it. Hopefully you enjoyed some rainy monsoon New Mexico stuff. I'm gonna try to pick off a few more compositions over there with the 70-200 and then go home and eat because I'm starving. So thanks for watching if you made it this far. I super appreciate it. Hit that like button for me if you enjoyed the stuff. That's the best thing you can do for the channel, and I will see you in the next one.